Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be making some brain cupcakes. So this is not an original idea, but I think they're so cool and I haven't done them on my channel before, so I figured it was about time. So brain cupcakes are they're so easy to make, and I think that they'd be perfect for a Halloween bake sale if you need to make something either like for your office or for school or something like that. They're really easy to make and look so cute. So this is the kind of good combination if you want something easy, but something that will like stand out as well. They're also filled with strawberry jam to make them extra like bloody and gooey when you bite into them. And yeah, anyways, I think they're so cute. So let's get started. So first, to make the cupcakes, you want to beat the butter and sugar with an electric mixer until it's pale and smooth. Add the vanilla extract and eggs one at a time, mixing with each addition. In a separate bowl, combine some flour, baking soda, and salt. Add this to the batter in two additions, alternating with the sour cream, and then dye the batter red. Alternatively, you could also use red velvet batter, which would also be red. Spoon the batter into a lined cupcake pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the centers comes out clean and then cool completely. To make the buttercream, beat the butter with an electric mixer until pale and fluffy. Add the vanilla extract and mix until combined. Then add the confectioner sugar 1 cup at a time, mixing with each addition. Then beat for about 3 to 5 minutes until fluffy. Dye the buttercream pale pink, and then place that into a piping bag, but it with a large round piping tip. To decorate, use the wide end of a piping tip to cut holes into the centers of the cupcakes, and then fill those holes with strawberry jam. You could also use raspberry jam, which would be equally as delicious. To create the brain pattern, it's so easy, oh my gosh. Just pipe 2 lines across the centers of the cupcakes, and then pipe little squiggles on either side. And so when you're piping the squiggles, you don't want to be pressing it that close to the surface of the cupcake. Kind of lift it so that you don't kind of smush the buttercream, and that will give you a more voluminous brain, which is the weirdest term I think I've ever said. And you are done. I hope you guys like the first week of my Halloween recipes. Every Sunday now, as like a little new tradition, I'm going to be posting the weekly schedule on YouTube, and that's gonna appear in your subscription feed. So on Sunday, sometime on Sunday, if you want to know what's coming for the week, so you can like prepare, or like if you want some ideas and you kind of want to schedule in advance, check out the subscription feed, and the little video schedule will be up for the recipes coming that week. I think it'll be so cool, and you can like vote on your favorites, which is so much fun, and like comment down below if you have like suggestions or like things you think I could like change and make better. But yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. If you missed any of my other Halloween recipes this week or the previous years, there are so many, I will link my Halloween recipe playlist here. There are so many. I guess I can't reshare things in the subscription feed. I should really do that, because there's so many things that like deserve to get seen again. Like I made glow-in-the-dark cupcakes actually last year, the year before last, and I filmed it in my bathroom, because my bathroom in my condo doesn't have a window, so I was able to shut the door and turn on the black light, and like it would glow perfectly. So fun fact, when you're watching that video, that was actually in my bathroom. I don't know if that's gross, it probably is. But yeah, so there's a ton of recipes like that, well not like that, but like kind of cool recipes like that in that playlist, so definitely check it out. And I hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend, and I will see you on Monday for a new video, or on Sunday if you guys want to see what's coming. Bye!